Okay, so this tutorial is related with global formatting or global template that I've created. So you can see here on the Avada framework that we are using, on most of the pages we have this call to action. Okay, so I've saved this in the templates library. So I create certain templates and save them. Okay, so this is one that I have saved. And you can see here, this means that it's a global container. Okay, so what does that mean? It means that when it's lit up like this and it has the global container icon, it means that any edits that you make to this, which this is the back end of that same page, social page. If you make an edit to it here on the social page, let's say we want to change, you can't see the text here because the text is white. Okay, so you've got to click this one here. So let's say we want to go in here and change this text here, or we want to change this text here. That's fine, we can change it. Okay, coming back, making sure we click save. But keep in mind, anything that gets changed or modified on one of these global containers, which I think on this website there's only one, which is this, it'll change it on all the pages. So you'll see we have this call to action on the home page. Actually, not the home page. We have it here and multiple pages throughout the website. So if we change it here on the social page, it's going to change this on all the different pages. Okay, so I'm pretty sure on this website we only have it on this CTA or this call to action. So let's say you want to change this link, that's fine, but keep in mind it will change on all pages that have this. Okay.